Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning, roughly 7 a.m. I kind of woke up feeling that I wanted to go for a walk, and it's kind of pretty outside because it snowed a little bit, which I'm not so excited for, but I guess can't complain with Christmas season coming up, even though it's still October. Yeah, I have a lot planned today. I want to do some laundry, catch up on some homework, clean my room, just get refreshed, do some meal prepping. I think I'm going to start this morning off and go for a walk. I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching this video.
You're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Okay guys, so it is currently like 12:30 or 1 o'clock-ish, and so I cooked up some lunch. I meal prepped some zucchini and butternut squash, and then I had some lunch meat that I needed to eat up, and then I sauteed up 2 leaves of kale with some garlic, and so that's what I have here. So I have like the turkey, a little bit of butternut squash, and some zucchini, and then the kale, and then I topped it with like this pesto sauce that I got from the Whole Foods, and it's like vegan, paleo, it's raw, I don't know what it is. There's like some like olive oil, some almonds, some basil. It's this really nice pesto sauce. I put some coconut aminos with this, and I sauteed it up, and it is gonna be delicious. So yeah, just having that with some water, and that's all. I'm gonna work on some homework here soon. I'm kind of debating if I want to run some errands today. I don't know. Kind of feeling really lazy. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye! Okay guys, for dinner I have a salad with some cucumber, tomatoes, avocado, cilantro, this Mother Raw Italian dressing, some chicken sausage, everything but the bagel seasoning, and some pepper. It's time to eat up. Okay guys, I just got done with dinner, and I really should be doing my statistics homework because I know later on in the week I won't have time. But I'm just so brain dead from doing my other homework that I was getting done. And I'm like, I could edit this video, or I could just power through it and get it done, but I feel like I should just call it quits for the night. I think I might just look at it just to see what I have to expect because it's for preparing for my midterm. But right now I'm just making some hot chocolate because I'm craving something a little sweet. I'm currently munching on some mulberries. I don't know if you guys ever had them, but they're delicious. I make my own trail mix with them, and it's really good. I do like cashews, walnuts, cacao nibs. I like them with pumpkin seeds, goji berries, coconut flakes. It's a really good fruit nut mix. Love that. Earlier today, I went just to hang out with my friend Katie, and we went window shopping and stuff, so that was pretty fun. But yeah, I'm pretty dead. Just have no motivation right now. And I have a full day of class tomorrow, so from 8 to 2. So I might just call it quits. But tomorrow night, I'm going to a movie with my friends, and I'm so excited about that one. But yeah, I'll maybe see you guys in a little bit. But until then, I'm probably just gonna chill and relax and not do much. So, see ya.